Samsung Galaxy S25 review. Is it worth the upgrade or stick with the S24? So the Samsung S25 is a very flagship standard model. It features a 6.2 AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh and new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipsets. It offers 12 GB RAM and a lot of good features. So for the pros, it offers performance upgrade and more feature-proof. So there's the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset which delivers noticeably better efficiency and performance. It also has a slight design improvement from the previous models, and it also has software support and features which is continuously updating over the 7 year course. And it also has the same strong base hardware, since the S24 already had high-end specs and the S25 inherits strong foundations. The cons is, though, the minimal camera hardware has some upgrade and issues, and the battery and the charging improvements are very small and noticeably, and it also has incremental upgrade for S24 owners. So it also has varying cost versus value for many users, which the cost of upgrading may not deliver professional benefit unless you rely heavily on performance or long-term reliance. So overall, if you're using an older phone, say around 2 to 3 years old, and want to upgrade now with a new future-proof device that feels fast, then it is worth buying. But if you already own the Galaxy S24 or a similar recent flagship, then I don't recommend upgrading. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.